You're like a gentle hug on a hard day, the soft touch that takes it all away. And when we kiss, it puts my mind at ease. Feels like home to me. You're like a long walk on a summer night, holding hands underneath the moonlight. And in that moment I find my sense of peace. Feels like home to me. Yeah, feels like home. Right next to you is where I belong. Safe and warm, wrapped up in your arms, holding tight just right. Well, there's no place on earth I wanna be, 'cause here with you feels like home to me. I'm gonna plant my heart, put down some roots, and watch it grow. Girl, we're gonna see us through, 'cause I found the one who I never wanna leave, and she feels like home to me. Yeah, feels like home, right next to you